Alright guys, what's up man? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching my videos and everything, man. I know it's a lot of stuff going on right now outside in the world, guys, but hey, just stay focused, guys. You know, do what you gotta do. And you know, I don't know what else to say, man. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some new merchandise that I got. As y'all guys do know, I love jewelry, man. I'm a jewelry guy. I prefer, you know, white gold or silver. You know, it really don't matter. I just love jewelry and, you know, just period. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some new pieces that I got, and then we're gonna go ahead and go outside so I can show y'all the new mod I did for the truck, guys. So with that being said, let me turn this camera around. This is one of my new pieces that I got. This is pretty much I bought this lion, man, because it represents me. My logo is King's Life, so I went on ahead and bought this piece, man. Now it's a pendant, you know, it's got diamonds all the way around this thing, man. It's beautiful. I love it. I will be changing the chain though, because I want a bigger, thicker chain with diamonds all the way around it. So I got that one on order as well. But man, y'all take a look at these diamonds, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. It's a little heavy, guys. It's a little heavy, but bam, man, that's what it is. We King's Life, man. So I had to go ahead and pick me up something that represents me. And I'm not just saying King's Life, guy, because everybody else is. My last name is really I'm really a king, guys. My last name is King, so that's what my logo is. And then, you know, I always been having this piece here. This watch has been reliable for me, man, in many ways. I've been having it for a long time now. I just love my pieces, man. I pay money for it, so I will also be having more pieces coming, so y'all stay tuned. But anyways, let's go outside, man. Check out this new mod that I got. Y'all gonna be blown away, man. Do that now. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the giveaway that I'll be doing at 300 subscribers, guys. Yes, I am giving away my NRG steering wheel, guys. Now, this steering wheel it's like a suede wrapped around it. It's got the red stitching in the inserts. I also have the carbon fiber insert wrap on the inside. It's got the button here and all that good stuff, guys. Now this steering wheel does have a quick connect. I had this quick connect on my truck with the steering wheel, so you can be able to take the steering wheel off whenever you want to. And I have all the pieces for it, guys, the adapter, all that good stuff. So if yeah, guys, if you want a new steering wheel for your ride, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. At 300 subscribers, I will be picking a random winner. So that's not nothing, guys. It's just a horn, the wires coming out of it. But so yeah, guys, y'all just make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. That way you'll have a chance to win this. If you out of state, I will be sending this to you in the mail and everything. Whoever the winner is, I will get your contact information, and it will be shipped to you guys. So man, who don't want to win something like this? It's free, guys. It's free. It's free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and it's free. It's a free steering wheel, guys. So y'all just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Show your love and support, man, to the YouTube channel and everything. Y'all know I'm dropping videos back to back, man. So man, y'all just do that for me, man. Ain't nobody else gonna help me with this channel, man, to grow it. Only you guys can help me, man. So with that being said, let's go and look at the let's go ahead and look at the new steering wheel that I got in my truck now. Real beautiful outside, guys. Just take a look outside, man. Real beautiful, man. Y'all know how this Texas weather work, man. It's real. It don't know what it want to do sometime. It's sunny right now, but then later on it'll be raining hard. But as you guys know, I got to get these cars out of here, man. starting today because we're having a lot of rain come our way. If you didn't see that video, make sure you go and watch that video from yesterday's, man. I installed grill, brand new bottom grill down there. I installed the side skirts on the Crossfire. Got the carbon fiber on there. Got the carbon fiber back here. The car need a wash because shit, I got caught in the rain yesterday on the way home, so I definitely got to wash the car up again. But more stuff coming, guys. Y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm really happy about the car coming back, and man, it's been doing good. And then also, guys, the tire pressure light came off yesterday when I got close by home. It finally came off yesterday, so we good to go, man. And also, on the next giveaway, guys, I know I just told y'all about the giveaway about the steering wheel I had in my truck. I will be buying a new steering wheel cover that I have in the Crossfire. I don't know if you guys checked it out yet, but man, if you haven't checked it out, go back on my previous videos, probably like 2 videos back, and y'all will see what it looked like, or I'll post a picture up here and show y'all what it looked like. I will be buying another one. That way, when I hit 400 subscribers, I will be picking a random pick for that steering wheel, guys. So y'all just make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. I have a new daughter on the way, November 1st. So man, y'all help me out. That way we can all grow, man. I want to do giveaways. I want to do car giveaways. I want to help little kids that needs help, man. I want to go and be able to, you know, take them toys and stuff, the ones that can't even get stuff like that. I always wanted to do that in life, guys. I always wanted to be able to do something like that, but man, y'all need to help me out, man. Go ahead and share this video. Go ahead and share this video, man. I want to help the need. I don't want to be a YouTuber and just think about myself. I want to help others. I want to help little kids. I want to go and be able to drop them off some toys every single weekend. Every single weekend, guys. Yo, if y'all want to help me do that, man, that way I'll take y'all along on the process as well, man. That way I can show y'all what I'm doing with it. But I need your guys' help, man. Make sure you share this video. Share. I want to be able to help, and not just with the kids, man. I want to help with the adults too, man. I want to be able to help with the adults. I want to be able to help buy canes if they need it. You know, bathing supplies, all kind of stuff, man. It's not all about thinking about yourself sometimes, man. You got to think about others. But with that being said, man, let me stop talking, man. But man, I'm for real on that though, man. Y'all help me out, man. That way I can help out others. Let's go ahead and look at the steering wheel that I got, man. I want you guys can check it out. Right now I got my old work shirt on it because, man, this thing get hot after a while. So let me go ahead and show y'all real quick, man. Voila, guys. What y'all think about that steering wheel though? So it's got the red leather wrapped around it. It's got the chrome inserts. It's got the Chevy emblem on the button. It also has the flat bottom on the bottom part. That was a nice little touch that I always liked it. I always liked the flat bottom on the steering wheel. Now guys, this wheel, you can get this wheel, guys, from Billet Specialist. I don't know, it's kind of dirty right here. I don't want to be if you guys ever want to get a steering wheel like this, go to Billet Specialist. It took me about a month to get this wheel because all this crazy stuff going on, but you can get this wheel, guys, for $600, and that's with shipping and everything, guys. So $600 will get you a wheel like that. Also, when you buy this wheel, you can't just buy the wheel. You got to buy the adapter that comes with it, and you have to buy a button. All of that's separate. So once you order it, you gotta buy the adapter and the button, the horn button as well. I went on ahead and went with Chevy because this is a Chevy truck, so I wanted that Chevy emblem on there on the front. This leather on here, it comes off, guys. It's easy to remove, and you can always change the color. You can go with black, you can go with brown, you can go with red, peanut butter color, all kind of colors, man. All you have to do is just go on there and type in what color you want. They'll make it and send it to you. Now this is the back, guys. Full steel on the back. I like these grooves because you can put your hands on these grooves whenever you're driving. It's easy to grip. But man, it's looking nice, guys. It's looking nice. But I'm not done with it yet, guys. Not done with it. Still got more stuff coming to the truck, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers, man. I'm not asking for too much. Help me get there, man. That way we can do more giveaways. I want to do a car giveaway. It might not be a new car, guys. It might be an old school, but it's gonna run good, and I'm gonna fix it up to where you guys like it, or I'll probably just give it to you guys like that, and y'all just fix it up yourself. But yeah, if you guys can tell, I got a new haircut, man. Finally got a new haircut, man. I passed through the barbershop yesterday, and man, I seen that they was open. So yeah, man, they was open, so I had to go ahead and get me a haircut, man. I couldn't wait on that, man. So, but of course you got to wear your mask, and they check your temperature and all that, make sure you ain't got the sickness. But other than that, man, I'm liking the new results of the vehicles, guys. I will be taking those red wheels off. I will be taking the red wheels off. I will be going with the Forgiatos on this truck, man. So it will be a chrome going back on there. That way it can match with the steering wheel. But yeah, man. So shit, that's all I got for today's video, man. The Camaro really ain't doing nothing to that yet. I ordered some stuff from Inshane Designs. Y'all know who he is. He rock with the 717 Street Speed. Man, I ain't got my shit yet, man. It's been a whole month, and I still haven't got my stuff yet. They talking about they waiting on the shirts to print. So I probably won't be ordering anything else from there. Again, man, I was just trying to show love and support to them guys, man. But it seems like, I don't know what they doing, man, but they could have had that stuff done a whole long time ago, man. So it's been about a month and 2 weeks now. I haven't even got my stuff yet, man. So they did send me they sent me a squeegee. Is it the squeegee? I think it's called a squeegee. The thing that you wrap your cars with whenever you installing your wrap, and you know, it's a little squeegee part type thing. So I did get that, guys. I did order a decal for the car. So they did send the squeegee. So I'm thinking, like, why did they send the squeegee first without the other stuff, guys? I don't understand that part. But I ain't here to bash it, man. I just want my stuff because I paid good money for my stuff, man. I paid like freaking 80 bucks for that stuff. And man, when you pay your money, you want your stuff, man. So I don't know if they'll see this video. I hope they will. But man, I'm trying to push my stuff to get my stuff, man. So with that being said, man, this is all I got for the video, man. Y'all stay safe, stay humble, man. And and make sure y'all stay out of trouble, man. Y'all know how it is around in this world right now. You know, just don't cause no issues with the people, man, with them cops and all that, man. It's crazy out there. They'll do anything to hurt you and get you behind the bars, man, and all that, man. Just don't aggravate it, you know what I'm saying? Do what you're supposed to do. Protest. It's okay to protest, man. It's okay. But don't go and act crazy, man, and just give them a reason, you know what I'm saying? Because they hurting people out here, man. They hurting people. And it's not right, but you know, it is what it is, man. Just don't give them a reason, and you should be fine, man. You know what I'm saying? I try to stay away from all that crazy stuff, you know what I'm saying? But you also have to think about the virus, man. The virus is still going around. We still have COVID-19. I don't know why people don't realize that, but it's still around, guys. You can always get sick still. So y'all just keep that in mind, man, that you can still get sick, guys. You can always get sick. But Y'all take care of y'allself, man. This is all I got for the video, man. So with that being said, I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.
Nigga by the toe. Where you going? I just hit your bitch, then I fell in love with her throat. Ooh, niggas out here claiming goats. Ooh, ha ha, David, you a joke. 35 racks on the coat. Spend 5 racks, get a nigga smoke.